don't know what's gonna happen because you have to hear the exhaust. Then I got a bit sad because my grandma passed away like 3 months ago. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this new video. My name is Quinten from the YouTube channel CarVlogsQVS, and today I'm going to trade my Lancia Ypsilon for a Ferrari A12 GTS here in Italy. Because yesterday, we had a kind of sad day with my Hyundai i20N taken away from me because it's the car trouble. So probably it's a fuel pump, not sure yet. But we'll see what it is. But for that, I got this beautiful Ypsilon, which is an amazing car. Yesterday I talked to the strapman and his girlfriend Sophia at the Ferrari factory. We were car spotting and then drove away, and at the roundabout the car just stopped working, engine off, couldn't turn it on anymore, and they helped us push the car and stuff. So that's nice of them, of course. And we're lucky that I had some friends here around in the area. So they brought us to the airport in Modena. No, I mean Bologna airport. So I could get this beautiful rental car. That's it for now. I'm on a road trip with my girlfriend. We started in the Dolomites, beautiful locations. The next location is Lake Como to hang out, do some swimming and stuff.
If we make it.
If we make it. That are the plans for now. But now we're going to the factory.
Now we're gonna shoot some B-roll shots of this amazing car.
Thumbs up if you like this car and want to see some content of this in the future. I'm now gonna start the car for you, and you don't know what's gonna happen because you have to hear the exhaust.
Crazy!
Do you hear the pops and bangs? I also think that the Italians forgot to put the speedometers in the dashboard here. So they were like, oh, we'll put it here, we forgot it. That is how the Ypsilon sounds from outside. Let me know what you think about it. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the Ferrari museum over here, and we have some nice cars on the parking lot. We got here a TVR Sagaris, which is very special. I mean a T350C. And then we go to the other part of the parking, and then we have here the brand new McLaren Artura in a beautiful green color. I've never seen this color before, and I think it looks amazing. We go here, we have a nice Porsche 911 R6 with, I guess, the GT wheels, the brand new Urus SE hybrid. And then of course we have one Ferrari on the parking lot. It's a 296, I think GTS, from Italy also. Looks amazing. And in the far distance you hear the cars testing on the Fiorano track. I think they're testing the 296 Assetto Fioranos because they're driving around all the time. So yeah, you don't hear it on the camera, I guess, but sounds cool. So we have arrived at the pit stop here in Maranello. We have to wait for the cars because the cars are at the depot now. So they are picking up the cars and then we go for a drive. I hear the V10 of the Performante arriving. This also sounds amazing. Of course they don't park it here, but they park it over there, because it's a Lambo and not a Ferrari. Here they have the 296. And there it's coming, guys. A12 super fast, A12 GTS. I'm gonna experience it today. We got the GoPros mounted. This is my co-driver, Richard. He's gonna show me around in this car.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Please.
Are you ready?
Yeah, yes.
Born ready.
2 hours later.
Yeah, drunky.
Every day is like this?
Yeah.
No.
It's very exhausted. Yeah, thank you.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Now, a little bit briefing, okay?
Yeah.
No, sit.
So wait, turn this off. I need the full...
Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah.
Woo. Have fun and good luck with him.
Yo. Wow, that's lovely. That's V12.
Now you can push.
That's amazing.
Ah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Ferrari.
Yeah, thank you. And this is my first Ferrari. Imagine, this is just crazy. An A12 GTS with the top open and the V12 in the front.
Yeah. 6.5 liters.
Yeah. And what's the new price of this car? It's about 550k, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's insane. Next to the police car. I didn't see him.
No problem.
Nah, I think they're okay in Italy with this kind of cars. Like, I mean, Italian people always love the Italian supercars, is what I heard.
Yeah. Oh yes.
What is your favorite car you have ever driven? Can you tell something about your past with cars you have driven, or what's your favorite?
My favorite in general is 458 Speciale.
Ah, yeah, that's amazing.
Nice place.
Yeah, we started in Dolomites, but there we went for a swim in the lake and we saw a 458 Speciale Aperta.
Mm-hmm.
So we came back to the car, I saw the car, I get in the car, I chased it to the mountains for 30 minutes. It was just insane.
Yes. Okay, push.
This is also one of the last Ferraris with a naturally aspirated engine, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so this is the...
Not turbo, yes.
No, exactly, that's what I wanted. I was... 2 days ago we arrived, I went to the museum, and then I got out of the museum.
Modena or Maranello?
At your place, at Maranello
Okay.
museum. Then I got a bit sad because my grandma passed away like 3 months ago. And sorry. I know she's watching it, right? You know. Somewhere she's watching still.
Yeah.
She was always so proud. This is what a Ferrari does to you. I don't want to cry, but
Oh, yes.
it's pure emotion.
Yes. Enjoy, it's better.
Yeah. So I drove with my grandma in a R8 V10 Spider
Uh-huh.
with a custom exhaust from ASG in Germany.
Okay.
A car from a friend of mine. Hey, Ferrari. Cool. And I always bicycled with my grandma to a bridge to spot cars when I was younger. Like I think I was 9 or 10 years old. And yeah, there we always bicycled, and she always said, take a photo of us together, but I never did that because I only wanted to photograph the cars. So
Yes.
I picked her up with that R8 V10 Spider.
Like at paparazzi.
Yeah. And then we took the picture again with my girlfriend. She's a photographer, so she took the photos. So I still have the photos now.
reverse makes it right.
Yeah. Crazy people.
Yes.
I always need to stay sharp. The GoPro's powering off, my power is off also. It was an amazing experience. I would recommend it if you go to Maranello. Just book at least a 30 minutes experience because you go into the hills, you have some nice roads. And yeah, I don't have any more words, I think. So guys, here goes the A12 GTS again. Yeah, as you can see, it brings a lot of emotion, this car. It really is a dream to drive this car around Maranello. I would recommend it to do it by yourself if you go here. Take the 30 minutes one because it costs a little bit extra, but you get the full experience with some nice country roads. And also I want to say one more thing. Thanks everyone for watching my videos, because if you don't watch my videos, this wouldn't be possible. So I hope you like this video, and maybe in the future I'm gonna do more videos like this, so make sure to subscribe if you liked it, and I want to thank you for watching. Bye.